Hares are, are very timid. The least shadow sends them scurrying in fright to a hiding place. Once they decided to die rather than live in such mystery. But while they were debating how best to meet death, they thought they heard a noise and in a flash were scampering off to the warren. On the way, they passed a pond where a family of frogs were sitting among the reeds on the bank. In an instant, the startled frogs were seeking safety in the mud. Look, cried a hare, things are not so bad after all, for here are creatures who are afraid even of us. However unfortunate we may think we are, there is always someone